Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like someone's profile on the Bumble dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bumble application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be prompted to log in by using your Facebook or your Instagram account or by using your phone number. Once you are logged in using either one of these methods, you will be taken into the People menu from which you can scroll through various different profiles that are recommended for you. Now, if you like a profile, then you can simply swipe right within the profile, and once you swipe right, you will see a tick mark appear within the center. And this means that you have liked this profile. You can swipe right to like various different profiles that are within your daily limit. And if this person also swipes right within your profile, then this will create a match within the two of you. And this means that you will now be able to chat with this user. You can also tap on the heart icon at the bottom left corner to start with a compliment. And you can also send a super like by tapping on the star icon. And there you have it. That is how you can like someone on the Bumble dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.